We are in our primary testing bay where we will get to know our latest innovation solution for weld correction on commercial and industrial fans. The cell has man doors on both left and right side, allowing the robot to operate on one cell while the operator safely loads a fan into the opposite cell. Each cell has its own independently operated HMI. While there is a master HMI in the front, there are also HMI for the robot controls, training, and positioning. On the balance measurement platform, an indicator light informs the operator if the unbalance correction was sufficient. A stack light indicates the status of the work environment. The operator manually loads the system. After automatically measuring the two planes for correction, the welder will move into position, add material to the left plane, and then to the right plane. An advanced algorithm in the balancing system determines the weld correction length, weight, and dwell. The size of the unbalance defines the weld length. The robot then retracts the balancer, takes an audit measure. While one fan goes through an automatic cool-down process, the robot welder moves into correction position in the second cell. The robot welder will add material to the first plane, then to the second plane for correction. Retracted to the center of the position, the welder enters automatic weld tip refreshment. Upon completion, the operator will manually remove the fan.